Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today is Friday. Friday is the day where we publish the traditional recipes, and in today's video I would like to show you how to make my favorite German spread, Kochkäse. Kochkäse makes a perfect starter and goes very well with apple wine, wine or beer. Takes only 15 minutes to prepare the cheese spread, and the recipe is for around 6 people. For the cheese spread, we're gonna need a harte cheese. If you don't have this one, you can replace it with Quark or cream cheese. We're gonna also need cream, butter, additional Quark or cream cheese, and soda. At the beginning, you need to preheat the pan by using a low heat and then add butter, harte cheese, and cream to it. Then you can bring this all to boil and turn off the heat, add Quark or the cream cheese, and stir again until all the ingredients combine. At this point, you can add the soda. Now you can transfer the cheese spread into a container and let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours, better overnight. This is how creamy the Kochkäse gets after the period of resting. You can serve the cheese spread cold or warm. If you would like to serve it warm, you can just put it in the pan and warm it up for a few minutes. Cheese spread goes very well with the raw onion sauce and caraway seeds on the top. It is extremely nice combination if you like raw onions. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe, and I really hope that you're gonna make it for the next dinner party at your home. Wish you a wonderful weekend, and I see you back here on Sunday.